Hey, my name is Phil from legitmarketingreviews.com, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing a lead generation software called Leadono. Now in this Leadono review, I'm going to be showing you exactly what Leadono is, how it works, and by the end of this video you should know if Leadono is right for you. Now just to let you know, if you're considering getting Leadono, I have got some incredible bonuses to help you actually generate more traffic for Leadono, so make sure you go ahead and check those out on my website. They're definitely worth your while. So first of all, what is Leadono? Well, Leadono solves a very important problem in the internet right now. So when you have an opt-in form or you're trying to get leads for your business, a lot of the time customers have to go on their phone and type in with their little fingers on these little buttons their information, which usually either ends up in them giving up or putting in the wrong email address. Luckily, Leadono comes into play. What it has done is actually allows you to create social logins for your links. So what happens is, instead of having to redirect them to an opt-in page, they can just click one button which will log them in directly to their email addresses for different social platforms, giving you verified email addresses. Now hopefully that didn't confuse you, but what I'm going to do right now is actually jump behind the screen and show you how Leadono works. Okay, so here we are on the dashboard of Leadono, and what I'm going to do quickly is show you how this actually works so you know what you're actually looking at, and then I'll show you how you can set up a campaign. It's very easy to do. So if I go here to links, and I'm going to choose this second one here, if I click on this link, which is a link that you would actually send out to people, they're going to have to choose one of these options if they want to progress. It's just like a landing page, except they don't have to fill in their name, they don't have to fill in their email address. Just clicking one of these buttons is actually going to log in using their social information. So if I click on Twitter, for example, I'm currently logged in. It's going to ask if they can get authorization to the account. Basically, it's going to take my name and email, and if I click on authorize app, as you can see, it's going to redirect them actually to the link that we originally put there, right? So it's basically the thank you page. So it's a really powerful tool. And if you come over here to the actual subscribers, inside here, you're going to see the information that you have actually taken away from these people. It may be blurred out just for my personal safety. So basically, that is how it works. It's super easy, right? A few clicks of a button, they don't even have to type in any words, and you've got their email address. It makes life so much easier because people don't have to fiddle around, maybe writing in the wrong email or leaving because it takes too much time. Instead, they can click a button and get it going. So have a think about how you can actually implement this in your business, because it's definitely going to make a difference. So now I've shown you how it works. I'm going to show you how you can actually set it up. So when you first get started with Leadono, what you want to do is actually come on the left here to the setup tab, and then inside there you're going to want to go into integrations, and inside the integration you're going to want to use your email autoresponder. There's all the normal ones like GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, all the big names, they're all there. So go ahead first of all and integrate that. Now, once you've actually integrated it, what you want to do is come back to campaigns, click on new campaign, and inside here, what you want to do is create your campaign. So I'm going to call this the YouTube test. Tag can just be YouTube. I'm not going to bother about a description, but you want to choose a fallback link. Now, the reason you want to choose a fallback link is if someone goes to the page and then they don't put in their information, or they leave or something like that, it's actually going to redirect them somewhere else rather than taking them to the link. So you're not losing the traffic, essentially. You're still having sort of a second chance where you can actually get some benefit from these people, right? So this is my subscribe for YouTube link. I'm going to go ahead and use that. Now, if you had a autoresponder set up, you would put it inside of here. For this example, I'm just going to click on sync subscribers using HTML form and click on create campaign, right? So now I've got this brand new campaign, and basically what it means is inside of each campaign, it's going to be the fallback redirect link. And what you want to do inside of then is actually start doing a link itself, right? A Leadono link. So inside here, what we want to do, come to links on the left, click on top right, new link, and here is where we can actually start using all the magic. So let's just say your thank you page, which you would probably call it that, would be I'll just do the same one I did before, which is the Facebook group. So let's just say I was like, hey, if you want to join my Facebook group, go to this link, click them to the social link, the social opt-in link that I showed you earlier, and then once they get there, it'll take them to the group. And I want to use my fallback link, which is my campaign, so YouTube test. So if they don't for some reason go through it, they can at least go to my website or subscribe to my YouTube channel, so I'm not losing traffic, if that makes sense. Now there is something called a refer a friend campaign. I'll go through that in a moment, but basically that's all you need to do if you're sending someone to a URL. Now if you are sending someone to a download link, you can actually upload a document to here. As you can see, upload downloadable file, and instead of having a target URL, what you can actually do is once they've put in their social information, they're going to be able to download this link. There's also the meta information there if you wish to use it, but it's super easy to do, right? So once that's done, go ahead and click create link. And in a few moments, the new link is created. So all you'll do then is copy this link and then send it to your traffic, right? You can shorten it if you wish. You can embed it anywhere you want. But what you've done is you've created an avenue where you can get people's information, like their email address, super easy, super quick, with less sort of fuss of people actually putting in their information, because it's there. It's very, very good if you have incentivized sort of things, like if you are giving away a free training, or if you're giving away a free PDF or anything like that, because if they want it, they're going to have to use one of these social plugins or social login situations to get that piece of information. So it's very, very powerful. So that's basically Leadono. That's how quick and easy it is. As you can see, they support so many different channels. And what I'm going to do right now is actually show you the refer a friend module. So basically what this does is it creates sort of like a fun sort of viral type lead generation sort of system. And basically what you can do is you can create a new campaign. I'm just going to call this the YouTube test. And once you're inside, you have two options of actually being able to reward people for being the invitee to the offer that you have, or being the referrer, right? So basically what it can do is you can incentivize people to refer their friends or invite their friends into it, and in reward you actually give them something for it. So what I'm going to do is quickly create a referrer reward just to give you an idea. Once again, YouTube tests, like so. Let's just say each time someone gets a reward, I'll give them something in return. Could be a PDF or something like that. And what you can actually do is once they get a reward, once they refer a person, you can actually add an email, and inside this email is where they are going to get their sort of winning sort of thing, right? So it could be, hey, here's your download for inviting someone. Thanks for helping out, that sort of thing, right? So it's a very, very cool thing. Very good if you have a lot of content to actually give out, or if you have bonus training or anything that you can do to incentivize people to invite their friends, right? So that's basically Leadono. It's a very, very powerful tool. There are also other options where you can invite people to have things like team access. There's also training and guides that you're able to go and have a look how everything works. Now, just before I continue on too far, this is all the training and everything. I'm going to quickly show you my website just to show you the bonuses that you can actually expect, the Leadono bonuses, if you decide to go through me. What you're going to get is 4 different types of training that are actually going to help you get more emails into your business, right? The first one is the ultimate traffic mantra, right? It teaches you how you can think about when you're getting traffic, as well as, you know, how you can get it from different types of platforms, as well as list building on steroids. It's talking about a lot of different things to incentivize people to actually opt into your list. And as you know, YouTube is my favorite thing right now. So there's also a YouTube training to teach you how you can actually explode your YouTube, as well as a lot of 6-figure email swipes, right? This is so important. Once you get these emails, this is going to teach you how you can actually use them to your benefit to generate money. Now, while we're here, we might as well go about the different pricing of Leadono. As you can see, we have 2 front end prices, $27 for the personal, $37 for commercial. And the difference between the two basically is the amount of leads you can actually get for them, right? So 27, you're going to get 3,000 leads, while the commercial is allowing you to have 5,000. And of course, there are some Leadono OTOs. We have the Pro version, which is $67. And basically what it's going to allow you to do is remove all types of Leadono branding inside of all of your links, so no one will ever know you used Leadono. You've also got the Leadono Luxury account. Basically what this is going to do is allow you to send email reminders once people do it. So there is a function actually inside Leadono to have email pop-ups, right? email reminder pop-up. So if someone puts in their information, it's actually going to go send them a notification. So with the luxury version, it's going to allow you to send them as many times as you want. Now there is also the platinum version. Basically what this allows you to do is have unlimited leads, while the personal only allows you to have 3,000, commercial 5,000. The platinum is going to allow you to have unlimited. This is amazing if you can create viral content or you're going to get a lot of leads into your business. And then finally, there is the white label version. If you love the software and you want to use it as a service for clients, then you can get the white label version. I believe it's $297. I could have this wrong, as it's actually being released in about 5 hours. But what you can expect to get from it is having your own portal, your own domain where Leadono is actually hosted. You can call it whatever you want, and it's got inbuilt systems for everything. So it's just like the software is your own. You can charge people what you want and you keep 100% of the profits. So that's it, guys. That is Leadono. What I'm going to do right now is jump behind the screen quickly and talk a little bit more. Okay guys, so that is Leadono. As you can see, it is a powerful tool, especially if email marketing is important to you, which it should be. Every single business needs email marketing, as it's the highest converting type of traffic and you own it. So I highly recommend you go and check out Leadono. It is going for an amazing price right now. Go ahead and check that out. Once again, you can secure all of the bonuses I mentioned in my video using the links in the description. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. But that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Leadono review. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and make sure you hit subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one.